We designed this development to bring together three unique elements of living in Delhi NCR. Traditionally, the region has seen low-rise living in bungalows, and that's sort of gone on to become the de facto standard of how several centuries of living happened in this region. Subsequently, we saw the emergence of high-rise developments on the perimeter of Delhi, Gurgaon particularly, with gated communities bringing in centralized facilities, clubs, centralized security, power, etc. And today, we are seeing the emergence of technology that is beginning to affect the way we live. Digi Homes aims to bring together all of these three elements: the pleasures of living in a low-rise bungalow, the advantages of community, of safety, of security, of living in a high-rise gated community, enhanced by technology that is available today, the best in technology, to provide a new living experience. The project has been designed with individual towers, each tower consisting of 4 apartments to a central core. Each apartment is 3-sided open, which allows it the privileges of being with each individual tower having its own expression and its own identity. At the base of each tower are located central amenities to the tower community itself. This is over and above the club that belongs to the entire development. However, what makes this unique is that one does not have to leave their own tower to avail of central facilities to that tower, which are that of a creche, of co-working spaces, of indoor games area, in effect expanding the apartment to a much larger space within the tower itself by being able to use these facilities. 3 towers come together in this phase 1 of the development, along with a club which is unique. It has an infinity pool and all the facilities that would be required to bring together community living in a new and unique way. The site itself has been designed and master planned in a way where we have areas which have access to sun in the winters for the old and the young. We have areas in the summer which are perpetually in shade, which allow for the landscape to be used through the year. And the buildings have been oriented in a manner which harnesses the monsoon winds but block out the hot summer winds. All this put together makes Digi Homes a unique experience to live in, and we hope will bring to the fore the first in high-rise living with the unique advantages of low-rise bungalows and enhancement by digital technologies to residential development, not only in the NCR, but in India and Asia as a whole. Thank you.